a massive old growth sycamore tree on my property. It's at least 150 to 200 years old if I'm guessing. But if you've been around any creeks or rivers in the Ozarks, you're probably familiar with a sycamore, whether you realize it or not. But it plays such an important role in our riparian ecosystems here, so let's talk about it. One of the key characteristics of a sycamore tree is as it expands, it actually will shed its outer bark. So you can see as it gets taller, the stems and branches are going to be this lighter, patchy color. This is actually an adaptation the tree has to protect itself. And this adaptation is actually going to protect itself from any mosses, fungi, and insects from taking over, which is going to be super important in these humid and flood-prone conditions in the Ozarks. And specifically for this region, you're going to find sycamore trees around any riparian corridors. This is going to be like streams, creeks, and rivers. Almost always whenever you see one, it's usually a sign that you're nearby water. And our Ozark soils are going to be really thin and rocky, but sycamores are going to thrive in these stream banks. They have these really extensive root systems, and this is going to help stabilize our stream banks, especially during those heavy rains or flooding periods. This is going to help prevent any type of erosion and help our downstream water quality. And sycamore trees are going to support dozens of native insects, mammals, and birds. Specifically, the sycamore lacebug is going to really rely on the leaf on the sycamore tree for a food source. Other animals like barred owls or wood ducks will use cavities in sycamore trees for a shelter. And even Indiana bats will use the exfoliating bark on sycamore trees during the roosting period. And for centuries, indigenous people use sycamore trees as a landmark in the Ozarks because you can easily identify the light-colored patchy branches from very far away, but it was a sure sign that it was a reliable water source nearby. But it's a species that's going to withstand numerous floods, help support our native wildlife, and shape the landscape around it.